Shortening, originated in the USA, is substitute lard, which was extensively used in baking. The term shortening derives from short, which means tender. Shortening is thus a tenderizer to impart a tender quality to baked products. Shortenings may be classified as solid or fluid based on their intended use. Almost wholly oil or fat with commonly added emulsifiers and antioxidants, although this is not mandatory. Sparging by nitrogen during processing is also optional. Manufacturing process. The oil or mixture is heated to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius in a mixing vessel under continuous stirring to ensure a homogeneous melt. This is an optional ingredient in shortening manufacturing. Emulsifiers such as mono and diglycerides should be first dissolved in a small volume of the oil and fat blend, preferably in the ratio of 1:4 at 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. The mixture is then incorporated into the main bulk of the oil and fat blend in the tank under continuous stirring at temperature ranging from 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. The mixture is fed into a scrape surface heat exchanger, A unit, where it is supercooled and partly crystallized at a temperature between 17 to 28 degrees Celsius, while a pump speed of 300 to 700 RPM is maintained. As the blend crystallizes, its viscosity increases. The mush is passed through an agitator, B unit, where the crystallization continues until completion. The temperature depends on the pre-crystallization temperature. A semi-fluid plastic shortening is formed, and this is extruded into the packaging unit. There are several forms of packaging, depending on the type, product consistency, and intended use. Tempering allows the texture of shortening to stabilize and plasticity to form. The conditions used will affect the sensory properties, including texture and its general acceptance. Shortening is now ready for shipment. Advantages of using palm oil and its products. Beta prime is the desired crystal form in shortening as it increases plasticity. It immobilizes a large amount of the liquid oil, which would otherwise cause oil separation and post-hardening. Palm oil has a high stability in the beta prime form compared to other common vegetable oils. Palm oil is naturally semi-solid, requiring no hydrogenation in solid fat formulations. Hydrogenation is costly and produces trans fatty acids and isomers, which poses a health risk. If required, the solid content of a formulation can be increased by adding palm stearin of various hardness through direct blending or interestification. Palm-based shortenings are widely used in baking and catering industries, as well as in households for making biscuits, cakes, pastries, bread and icing.